How to add themes in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the left side above Plugins, hover on Appearance. Click on Themes. Click on Add New. On the right side, there will be a search bar. Search for the theme you need to install. For example, we searched for 2017. To view the theme, double-click the searched theme. Click on the Install button for the theme to install. Click on the Activate button. That's it, you have successfully installed and activated a theme. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.